Hello and welcome to Oldham Volkswagen. My name's Charlotte and today we're taking you around this brand new Volkswagen T-Roc Match that does come complemented in the stunning deep black pearl paintwork, giving a modernised edge. Housing your 1-litre TSI engine and manual transmission, it is an ideal upgrade for a bit of extra space. With plenty of top features including enhanced visibility with your automatic LED headlights, stylish 17-inch alloy wheels, and for added protection, your parking sensors and power folding wing mirrors. The boot offers enough space for daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures comfort all round with access to your central power outlets. Stepping into the front, you do have your multifunctional steering wheel with access to your central touch display screen, and again the comfort of a full cloth trim. For seamless navigation around the vehicle, you do have your various audio controls on the steering wheel, with your options to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying all of your vital driving data, and further safety systems. Moving across, you do have your variation of radio stations and app connect to stay endlessly entertained, alongside your on-screen vehicle information to easily keep an eye on the overall condition. You do of course have your on-screen climate controls for a desired temperature with the activation of your sensors and reversing camera, followed below by your main climate touch buttons, power outlets, and of course your central cup holders and small storage area. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video at all. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.